Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll focus on the conjugation of regular AR, ER and IR verbs in Spanish. I'll show you how to use these verbs in everyday conversation by drafting a practical email. This will not only help you to understand the conjugation but also prepare you for writing in Spanish, which is super useful for your exam. So let's dive in and start learning. In previous video students, I had explained the conjugation of the AR verbs. Now today we will also see that how we can conjugate the ER verbs and IR verbs. So let's start. Now let us see the endings of the verbs AR, ER and IR. Now I have written on the screen the conjugations of all the AR, ER and IR verbs for you to understand how to conjugate them as per the subject pronouns. Now for the yo form, can you see the AR, ER and IR verbs are having the same ending, that is O. For tu form, AR verb has as, that is AS, ER verb is S and IR verb is also S and not is. So can you see that it is the same for ER and IR verbs. Ella usted is also the same for ER and IR verbs, that is E. Now I have tried to make a box in which I have tried to make you understand that in the nosotros and vosotros form, the AR verb, ER verb and IR verb are all different. It is not the same for ER and IR verbs. For AR verb it is amos, ER verb it is amos and IR verb it is emos. Vosotros form is ais, is and IR verb is. So can you see that it is not the same for ER and IR verbs like the other conjugation forms. Now ellos, ellas, ustedes also becomes the same for the ER and IR verb and that is en. AR verb is an, ER verb is en and IR verb is also en. Rule of conjugation for regular AR, ER, IR verb is removing base from stem and adding subject pronoun endings to the stem. Like for example, ER verbs comer. Comer means to eat. Here com is the stem and ER is the base. Now your regular form is yo como, I eat, tu comes, you eat, él, ella, usted come, that is he, she, you eat. That is when you are talking to someone elder to you. Plural form nosotros comemos, we eat, vosotros comeis, y'all eat, ellos, ellas, ustedes comen, that is they eat. Now we will see the IR verbs example. Vivir is to live. Viv is the stem and ir is the base. Now we will see in the singular and the plural form. Singular, that is yo, tu, él, ella and usted. If I have to say I live, I will say yo vivo, tu vives, él, ella, usted vive, he, she, you live. Now the plural. Nosotros vivimos, we live, vosotros vives, y'all live, ellos, ellas, ustedes viven, that is they live. So now students, I have written a few daily used AR, ER and IR verbs. Let us see how to pronounce them. Abandonar, to abandon. Abrazar, to hug. Averiguar, to find out. Bailar, to dance. Bañar, to bathe. Caminar, to walk. Cantar, to sing. Causar, to cause. Cuidar, to take care. Degustar, to taste. Enviar, to send. Hablar, to speak. Luchar, to fight. Painar, to comb. And tomar, to drink or to take. Now ER verbs. Aprender, to learn. Aparecer, to appear. Barrer, to sweep. Beber, to drink. Comer, to eat. Correr, to run. Coser, to sew. Defender, to defend. offender to offend, temer to fear, and vender to sell. Now the IR verbs. Abrir to open, decidir to decide, descubrir to discover, discutir to argue, dividir to divide, partir to chop and to divide both, partir to leave, permitir to allow, to permit, persuadir to persuade, recibir to get or to obtain, subir to go up and to raise. So let us see how a few AR, ER and IR verbs can be used for writing an email in the present tense with their conjugations as per the subject pronouns. Hi James, what's up? If possible, this week we decide and eat at a new restaurant in the city. Hola, James, ¿qué tal? Si posible, esta semana nos decidimos y comemos en un nuevo restaurante de la ciudad. Here you see that the ER verb and IR verbs have been conjugated in the nosotros form to make it we decide and we eat in a new restaurant in the city. Nos decidimos, that is decidir, has been conjugated in the emos, and comer is conjugated by the emos. Juan is in India now and he discovers that a new restaurant opens in the city this week. Juan está ahora en la India y él descubre, that is, discovers, que esta semana se abre un nuevo restaurante en la ciudad. Nos probamos los platos famosos y también bebemos el famoso vino ahí. That is, probar. Probar means to taste. So they are saying we taste. That will be the conjugation of nosotros form amos for the AR verb probar. And see, when they say beber, which is to drink in the ER verb, then we say bebemos, that is, it takes the conjugation of nosotros hemos. Next, I am very happy because this year in this university I learned Chinese in the afternoon. Estoy muy feliz porque este año en la universidad yo aprendo chino por la tarde. Again, here, can you see? It is an ER verb aprender, so it will take the first person singular form of yo, that is O. ER will be removed and an O is added to make it aprendo. It is perfect for me as in the morning I work in my parents' restaurant. Es perfecto para mí porque por la mañana yo trabajo en el restaurante de mis padres. Hoy, my parents sell the old restaurant and open a new restaurant this month. Hoy mis padres venden el antiguo restaurante y abren un nuevo restaurante este mes. The new restaurant is very big with new furniture. El nuevo restaurante es muy grande. Other thing, today is the birthday of my sister. She receives many gifts from her friends. Otra cosa, hoy es el cumpleaños de mi hermana. Ella recibe muchos regalos de sus amigos. Tonight there is a party in my house. You attend after your class. Esta noche hay una fiesta en mi casa a la que tú asistes después de tu clase. Well, I take my dog for a walk now. Bueno, ahora yo llevo a mi perro a pasear. Please, you wish my sister before the party. Por favor, lee tú deseas a mi hermana antes de la fiesta. See you. Nos vemos, Luisa. Okay students, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts about the AR, IR and ER verbs, please drop your question in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.